Have you ever been asked a simple question about your computer and suddenly you realized you don't know the answer? Questions like what version of Windows are you running? How much RAM does your system have? When was it last booted? Is it 32-bit or 64-bit? Most users start clicking around, opening settings, searching menus, and wasting time. But IT professionals don't do that. They use one simple command. Now imagine this scenario. You are troubleshooting a computer, or you are installing a software, or you even want to report to an IT support. Or maybe you are preparing a system for upgrade and you need accurate system details very fast. This is what you do. Press the Windows key and type CMD. This will take you to command prompt. Then you type Systeminfo. In seconds, Windows displays the full report of the system. You can see the operating system, you can see the OS version, the manufacturer, the registered owner, the product ID, you can see the BIOS version, you can see the system model. This command is very powerful because it gives you verified information. IT technicians use Systeminfo to confirm compatibility. They use it to diagnose performance issues. They use it to track system health and document systems accurately. Knowing this command saves time, improves troubleshooting, and helps you to make better decisions. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a technician, or everyday user, understanding your system matters because in IT, good decisions start with good information. And Systeminfo gives you exactly that.